That's right. This is December 27th, 6:45 a.m. This is the start of my day. So I've not opened the door yet. Let's open it, see what we're looking forward to. There it is, people. That's right. Couple inches of fluff today. So I've been saying it now for a little while. Gonna be a typical New England winter this year. Cold and snowy. And so far it's been true. This won't be bad because it's fluffy stuff. Sunday night into Monday morning when we go back to work, gonna be an ice storm. Gonna be a crazy day that day. But anyways, we're gonna get started. That's right. The beast runs. Thing's got to be at least 20 years old. We'll get it done. It's Saturday, like I said, so no rush, but we'll get it done. Just need to do it. Well done, people. So, well, I'm going to spread a little bit of salt or calcium chloride later, but pretty much all done. Hour and 15 minutes, path to the bird feeder, path to the oil spout for the oil man. Everybody out there, don't forget to shovel a path for the oil man. Once it gets over a foot, they won't deliver. Gotta keep that path clear. Yeah, not too shabby, huh? It will work. Alright, people. Enjoy your day.